Amid the ongoing political tussle in Maharashtra, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray fired a veiled jibe in a subtle counter. Uddhav said that the ongoing politics is aimed at defaming the state. He said that he would respond to all political issues at the right time and his silence must not be misconstrued as weakness. In fact, Uddhav Thackeray also reiterated that there have been several political storms in the past as well and he's fully capable of handling it. Interestingly, while Uddhav made these comments, not once in his 40-minute address did he mention Kangana Ranaut's controversy or the attack on a Navy veteran by Shiv Seniks. There reacting in his speech. Let's quickly cut across to Saurabh Bhaktania joining us for more details on that. Saurabh, take us through Uddhav Thackeray addressing the audience through his televised speech, not once mentioning Kangana Ranaut or even the former Navy officer who was assaulted by Seniks there. He seemed quite with conviction that he spoke. He said that his silence must not be misconstrued as weakness. Take us through the details of his speech. What did he really try to indicate?
Well, Nabila rightly pointed out, first of all, that he did not speak about Sushant, he did not speak about Kangana Ranaut, he did not speak about the way Shiv Sainik attacked an ex-Navy officer. Now, first of all, Nabila, it is after a very long period of time that Uddhav Thackeray has broken his silence. He has addressed to the people of Maharashtra. Now, what were the key pointers of this? He says that the coronavirus fear should not get over. People should be more worried about it because the cases are on the all-time high. Earlier, we had constrained the virus to over 1,000 cases daily in Mumbai, but right now the cases are over 2,000 per day. Now, very importantly, Nabila, the moment he told that right now the people, some of the politicians think that the coronavirus is over and therefore they have started to play politics. He also said that I will speak at the right time, but this is not the right time. So when there is the right time, I will keep away the CM protocol and then I will I will speak to those people face to face. He was directly hinting at the BJP people who are in the opposition right now, who are actually staging a huge protest against Uddhav Thackeray government. Now, very importantly, Nabila, one point I should mention from this whole speech, he said that people should avoid doing morchas and andolan. But he did not point it out the way Shiv Sainik protested at the Mumbai airport when Kangana Ranaut landed in Mumbai, the way Shiv Sainik in huge number attacked the ex-army officer, ex-navy officer. So all this thing, Uddhav Thackeray did not speak about. His men are out on the road protesting against Kangana Ranaut. So many speeches have been given and the way Sanjay Raut is speaking. But Uddhav Thackeray chose not to speak on
really
all
wanting
those
to
issues.
react to Kangana Ranaut or even for that matter on the controversy on the assault on army. In fact, an army veteran there who was assaulted. He's tried to steer clear. Let's take a listen. Uddhav Thackeray, what he said.
काही जणांना असं वाटत असेल कदाचित की आता कोरोना संपलाय, पुनश्च हरिओम म्हणजे आपलं राजकारण पुन्हा सुरू करावं. केलंही असेल, करायला काही हरकत नाही. तूर्त मी राजकारणाबद्दल काही बोलणार नाही. पण राजकारणाबद्दल आणि एकूणच महाराष्ट्राच्या बदनामीचा जो काही डाव आखला जातोय त्याच्याबद्दल एकदा मात्र मी जरूर मुख्यमंत्री पदाचा मास्क हा थोडा वेळ बाजूला ठेवून आपल्याशी बोलणार आहे. त्यातले सुद्धा धोके आणि एकूण ज्या काही गोष्टी आहेत त्या आपल्यासमोर मी नक्की मांडणार आहे. मी बोलत नाही याचा अर्थ असं नाही की माझ्याकडे उत्तर नाही, पण एक मुख्यमंत्री पदाच्या खुर्चीवरती बसलेला आहे, त्याला साजेसं काम आपल्याला करावं लागते.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.